Welcome back. In part 8 we're going to do something a bit different. We'll look at a wiring diagram. So 8 months ago when I purchased the simulator, I had no idea what I was getting into. I certainly didn't know what an Arduino was, and I didn't know anything about electronics. The first thing I did was purchase an Arduino Starter Kit through AliExpress. Price for that was around about 55 New Zealand dollars, so that's about 35 US dollars or 35 British pounds. What you get in effect is a lunchbox packed with components. So you've got wires, you've got resistors, you've got potentiometers, and you get a wee mini course. You've got a disc that comes with that. You load it all up and it shows you how to wire these things up to make things work. So highly recommend that for the price and for the amount of stuff you get. It's just a no-brainer to start with that kit. The next thing I've done is I downloaded a thing called Fritzing, which was around about 15 New Zealand dollars, so less than 10 US dollars or British pounds. And it's a nice way of doing an electronics circuit diagram graphically. And it's very easy to use. You can put in the components which you grab from the right hand side of the screen, such as your Arduino there, which is a microprocessor, breadboard, which is an easy way to connect things, and then you grab things like a resistor there and you drag it across. You can place it in open space, so we can actually place it on the breadboard. So what we've got here is the wiring diagram that I have drawn up. I've titled it at the top there, A-4K Hotshot control column and thrust lever wiring. And you can see the three potentiometers there. So on the left hand side we have the slide pot or linear potentiometer for the throttle. At the top we have the potentiometer for the pitch. And out the right hand side we've got the rotary pot for the roll. So they're all connected into a breadboard, but I could also use a terminal block to connect those up. And you can see each of the potentiometers have three wires. There's an earth, there's a power wire, and then there's the analog wire that runs back through to the Arduino. So we'll zoom in there and we'll just have a closer look at what the wiring there is. So here we have on the left hand side of the breadboard all of the earth wires coming in. Everything in that vertical column is interconnected, and then on the right hand side we have the power wires, and the two of those wires run back down into the Arduino there, and on the left hand side is a 5-volt power supply, and then the black wire there is the ground, and then over here we have the three analog wires. The Arduino is connected into the computer via a USB cable, and hopefully it'll all work. I'll need to program that once it's all connected up, and we'll do that in a future video. So I hope you enjoyed this little different video, and I look forward to seeing you back in the next one.